Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 49 of our series PU to Brahmastra. Okay, this series has been launched for the sole purpose of helping you all to revise and to prepare for your PU to boards, right bacha? So today we're gonna start and complete the session on 3D geometry. I know this was again a lot of requests from your side. I've seen the comment section. Okay, the request was coming on the 3D geometry. You had some tests as well bacha, but we were on schedule. Okay, I could not change because other chapter had to go. So sorry for a little delay in the chapter, but yes, I am here today to complete the 3D geometry revision for all of you. I have taken only PYQs you're going to solve in the session today. All the questions will solve in the session today only. Very good questions, simple chapter, some formulas you have to remember. There's one derivation also, so we'll do the derivation also in the session only. So we have taken all the important questions that you can expect in this, or similar question that you can expect in this coming examination from this particular chapter. Okay, again weightage we'll see. Okay, then we'll solve the questions, all PYQs only. Okay, why PYQs, sir? Because simple chapter, we know the simple concepts are there. Similar questions are going to come. I'll show you the pattern also of the questions, means how they're asking the question bacha. So you'll see the patterns there. Okay, and you can similarly predict the questions coming in this year as well. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let me start with the session. So if you check out the first category, which is going to be on weightage bacha, have a look. The weightage is like this. Total of 3 questions is coming for you. Again, this is for the latest, as per the latest blueprint. Have a look. 1 marker MCQ, 1 question from the category of 2 marker, and 1 question from the category of short answer 3 marker as well. Okay, so total of 3 questions coming bacha, making the tally to 6 marks. Again, there will be internal option that you have to choose from. So but right now in the blueprint 3 questions are coming, category of 1, 2 and 3 marks. Options will be there. You can decide which question you want to do. Okay, chaliye. Now let's look at the preparation assistance at the best level, sir. What is it? Very good response from all of you. I want to thank one thing from your side, that thank you so much for giving this appreciation for our test series. Okay, very good feedback. Students are doing very good. They have improved in this course as well. So again, if you are somebody who has missed out so far in this preparation assistance, which is what the tool that we are giving, PU2 Success Blueprint Test Series is launched bacha, was launched on 15th December. Okay, there was first 4 was what is it bacha? First 4 is part test, means you had PCM. Okay, if you have missed that, don't worry about it. You can write those things again whenever you are having time. Very important to buy this test series bacha, because your exams are very near. If you practice this mock test, then you can sure that you are very much prepared for all the subjects. So what is the feature of this test series? First thing is 4-part test. Okay, has already been launched. Okay, but you can write them again. Then what is the other part? 8 full syllabus, full length test will be also there, subject wise. Okay, so you can check here, 8 full length, 4-part makes 12. What you get from our side, you're gonna get bacha, you are going to get, sir, sessions, obviously mock question paper solution in the PDF format, video solutions also, and you're gonna get the doubt clearing clarification sessions for this sessions, these mock papers bacha. Okay, so please make sure that you are available to purchase this right now. Don't make any delay in this purchase of this test series. Make it right now at the cost of only $599. Okay, I know you will make it. Details will be given in the description. Go ahead, check this out right now and avail this offer. Okay, chaliye. Now we'll look at the question number 1 bacha. Let's look at the question number 1, sir. What was it? From your March 2023 paper, have a look. It's MCQ. If a line makes an angle of 90, 60 and 30 degree with the positive direction of x and y and z axis respectively, then the direction cosines. You know the formula of direction cosines? Yes, sir. They were given by, if you remember, L was given by cos alpha. Okay, then we had M cos beta and N cos gamma. Okay, so alpha is 90, so cos of alpha bacha, right? So cos of 90 is how much, sir? 0. What about this one, sir? Cos of 60 is, sir, 1 by 2, and cos of 30, right? Cos of 30 is, sir, root 3 by 2, है ना? Root 3 by 2. Option number D is suitable. Simple question. L is 0, M is 1 by 2 and N is root 3 by 2. Okay, this is not visible, so I'll rewrite this part. 1 second. Excuse me. Have a look. Question number 1 is over. Question number 2. If alpha, beta, gamma are direction angles, not cosines, direction angles, okay, of a directed line OP. Let's draw OP bacha. O is here, P is here, so this is OP. Okay, what is the angle which are alpha, beta, gamma? Let's take the angle alpha only with the x-axis. This is alpha, sir. They're asking direction angles of directed line PO. PO, sir, means in this way, right? Now PO will be like this, so I can translate it parallelly over here, right? Please check this out. This can become the same value, no? Same length I can take in this way, correct? Now if this, let's say this is vector A, I can write this as what? I can write this as negative of vector A. You know this, right? Vector A, then this can be written as negative of vector A. Okay, check this angle now. If this is alpha, what is this angle, bacha? This is going to be pi minus alpha, no? With the x-axis, if the angle of OP is alpha, I can write OP as, let's say, vector A. Then what is my vector? This one. This is going to be vector minus A. Okay, negative of the vector A. What I'm getting, bacha, the angle, please check here with the x-axis. This is alpha. Total angle is 90 degrees. Sorry, 180 degrees, sir. Total angle is 180 degree. Will become pi minus alpha. So option will be pi minus alpha, pi minus beta, and pi minus gamma. Have a look. Option number A is correct. Clear, na? No confusion whatsoever. Please check. A is here, vector A. I can write vector negative of vector A like this, na? What is the angle with the x-axis? Again, pi minus alpha. Which x-axis, sir? Only positive x-axis. Okay, positive x-axis. That's how we take the angles, the direction angles. Yes, chaliye. So question number 1, 2 is done. Question number 3 now. Find the angle between the pair of lines, okay, given by R. First angle, the general equation is given for the vector in the vector form is like this. Second one is given like this for two different lines. We are looking to find what angle between them. Okay, so we know this. Please check this out. This is what, bacha? This is the, so vector R is, this vector form of the given line is basically parallel to this line, okay, and passing through this point. Same way, parallel to this line and passing through this point. It means the angle between the parallel lines will be basically what, bacha? Will be the angle between them. So let's call this to be vector B1 and this to be vector B2. Okay, so angle between B1 and B2 will be same as the angle between them. Yes or no? Please check. What is B1, sir? B1 is a vector which is of which this line is parallel to. R is parallel to B1. Another line R is again parallel to B2. I'm looking for angle between R1 and R2. Okay, two lines R1 and R2. It means what, bacha? I'm looking for the line angle between B1 and B2. Correct, na? So let's find this. So what I'm going to get? Cos theta will be equal to B1 dot B2 upon mod B1 times mod B2. Chaliye. How much I'm getting, bacha? B1 dot B2. Check this out. 3 into 1 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. And 6 into 2 is 12. Divided by B1 mod is how much, sir? 9 plus 4 plus 6, right? So 6 square will be 36 now. Multiplied with, 1 second. Okay, multiplied with, please check this out. For 1 I get 1, for 2 I get 4, and for this 2 I again get 4, sir. Okay, have a look. What I'm getting, please check. 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19 upon, how much is this? 40 and 9. So root 49. And how much is this? Root 9. 4 plus 4 is 9, sir. What I'm getting, bacha? 19 by root 49 is 7 into 3. So I'm getting, sir, cos theta equals to 19 upon 21. So theta equals to cos inverse of 19 upon 21. This is it, sir. This is it, sir. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Okay, again, this is not a special angle, so we can't find the exact value without the help of calculator, but you can take this answer as cos inverse of 19 by 21 will be the angle between the lines with where their vector form is given as R and R like this. How did we get it? By finding the angle between the line which they're parallel to, B1 and B2. I hope this is clear. Question number 4. Find the distance between the lines given by, 1 second. Okay, yes, chaliye. So find the distance between the lines given by, again two vector form are given for two different lines. Let's say this is for line L1, okay, this is for line L2, okay. For the line L1 and L2, have a look. For line L1 and L2, we have the vector form given as I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda times of 2i plus 3j plus 6k For L2 I'm getting what bacha, 3i 3j plus minus 5k and 2i plus 3j plus 6k. This represents the point where, this is represents the position vector of the point where the vector L2 or the line L2 is passing from. Again this represents I plus 2 minus 4. Okay, this represents what bacha, this represents the position vector of the point from which the line L1 is passing through. And what about this? Line L1 is parallel to this vector and line L2 is again parallel to this vector. Check carefully, they are the same vector bacha. So vector B is actually same. Please check out here, 2i cap plus 3j cap and plus 6k cap. We don't have B1, B2, we have only one vector. Both of them are parallel. Basically what it means is L1 is parallel to L2. What it means bacha? It means L1 is parallel to L2. Is that clear or not? L1 is parallel to L2. Excellent, sir. Okay, now what are we looking for bacha? Please check. We are looking for the distance between them, right? So the formula is there. We have what, sir? We have mod of vector B cross A2 minus A1, vector A2 minus A1. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, vector A2 minus A1 divided by mod of vector B. Okay, so let's look for this part first, mod of vector B cross. So we have to find this vector B cross A2 minus A1 bacha, है ना? Let's find the determinant for this. I, J and K cap. I, J and K cap. Please check. Okay. What is the vector B bacha? Please check here. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. What about A2 minus A1? Have a look. A2 minus A1. A2 is here. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, sir. 3 minus 2 is 1, sir. And minus 5 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4. So simply minus 1, sir. A2 minus A1. No, this is A2, this is A1. A2, A1. Okay. Let's find the determinant of this. So I'm getting this value as I cap times of. For I cap I'm getting minus 3 and minus 6. है ना? Minus 3 and minus 6. What about this minus j cap? Please check here. For minus j cap I'm getting bacha minus 2. Okay. And minus 12, right? Chaliye. Minus 12. 6 into 2 is 12, sir. Right now? 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into 6 is 12, but subtraction is there, so minus 12. Okay. So what I get for the k cap, please check this out. For k cap I'm getting 2 minus 3. 2 minus 6, right? 2 minus 6. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Have a look. I'm getting here minus 9 I cap plus 14 j cap. Okay. And over here I'm getting what bacha? Minus 4 k cap. Okay. This is this value. I'm looking for mod of this. So have a look. So my d will become what bacha? My d will become mod of this now. So root of 9 square is 81, 14 square is 196 plus 4 square is 16. Okay, divided by mod of b. Mod of b. What is b, sir? Over here 4, 3 square 9 and 6 square, so 36. Chali. Simplify this. What I'm getting, sir? 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, 3 carry is 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, and then carry was there, so 19, carry is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 293 in the root, divided by 36 plus 4, 40, root 49. How much is that, sir? Root 293 upon 7 is my distance d value. This is the final answer for the shortest distance. Have a look. Please have a look. First we have to find what bacha. This formula is there, no? This is the formula. Have a look. This is the formula, sir. Okay. B cross A2 minus 7, because there was both vectors, both the lines L1 and L2 are parallel to the vector B only. Okay. So B cross A2 minus A1 upon mod of B. We have found B cross A2 minus A1 over here with the help of determinant. Getting this as the answer, 9A cap minus 14j cap minus 4k cap. Okay, finding the mod over here as 81 plus 196 plus 16 divided by 4 plus 9 plus 36, which is the mod of b. This is mod of b. Have a look. So getting the answer as root 293 upon 7. Have a look. Question number 4 is done. Moving on to question number 5. Chaliye. Derive the equation of derive the equation of a line in space through a given point and parallel to a given vector b. Okay, and in the vector and the Cartesian form. Okay, chaliye, let's do it. Let us do it. Very good question. Have a look. Okay, sir. Let's say this is a line which is going through a point. Let's call the point to be point A. Okay, so A coordinates, I take the A coordinates as x1 comma y1 comma z1. Okay, and the position vector of A is, let's call this as OA. So I have origin over here, and they call the vector to be vector A. Vector A. They're given, they are parallel to what, bacha? Parallel to the vector B. So let's call a vector B like this. Okay, now I'm going to take any arbitrary position or point on the line. Let's call the point to be P, sir, unknown. Okay, it's an unknown point. Let's call the coordinate of this to be x comma y comma z, and the vector of OP, I'll call it to be vector R, sir. The resulting vector R, sir. Again unknown. R and x, y, z is unknown. Any point, variable point. It can lie on any place. Okay. So one thing we can do is, this is vector AP, this is vector A, and this is vector R. Okay. So I can find vector AP, no bacha. I can find vector AP. How, sir? Using the collinear property of vectors. AP is parallel to B vector, right? AP is parallel to vector B. Correct, na? So we know the collinear relation. I can write vector AP equals to what, sir? Equals to lambda some constant times of vector B. They are parallel, sir. Means I can write it like this. Okay, chali. Now once I know this, let's apply the triangle law of addition in a triangle OAP. Triangle law of addition in triangle OAP. How can we do that, sir? Point A, have a look. Point A is the terminal point of the vector OA. I'll repeat. Point A is the terminal point of the vector OA, and it is the initial point of the vector AP. So this point A is terminal point of vector OA and initial point of vector AP. It means what? Triangle law will be valid, right? Okay. It means I can write what? Applying, please check this out. Applying triangle law of addition, where bacha? In triangle AOP. In triangle AOP, please check this out. I get what? Vector R equals to vector OA plus vector AP, है ना? So vector R equals to OA is how much, sir? Vector A, and what is AP, sir? Lambda times B. And this is your vector form. This is your vector form of a line which is passing through the point A and parallel to the vector B. What is the vector A, sir? Vector A is the position vector of the point A. What is vector A, sir? Vector A is position vector of point A. Of point A. Is that clear? Position vector of point A. Okay. So this is vector form. First thing is done. Vector form. And we're looking for a Cartesian form also. So let's write everything in the Cartesian form. For what? I'm going to write for x r bacha. I'll have to write r as xi cap, yj cap, and zk cap, x. So I'll write this over here. Have a look. R equals to vector A plus lambda vector B is there. I can write R as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. How come, sir? Check this out here. For point P, what I have the coordinates x, y, z, the variables. Okay, x, y, z. Okay. What about vector A, sir? Vector A is over here, bacha. Please check. X, y, z one. Na? I've taken here. Let. Okay. The point A's coordinate is what? x1, y1, z1. How can we assume, sir? They have given, bacha. Passing through a point. Passing through a given point. They have given here. So that's why I've taken the value to be x1, y1, z1. It's a known value. Okay. So I can write like this over here. For A as x1 I cap, y1 j cap, and z1 k cap. A is known. What about vector B, sir? Vector B will also be given, na? It's a parallel line. So let's call this to be simply A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. What is ABC? The direction cosines again. Okay, the direction ratios. So once I get this value, once that is known, A, B, and C, let's compare them. Let's compare them for I cap, j cap, and k cap. I can write here for I cap, bacha. What I can write, sir? x1 plus a lambda. Check here. x1 plus a lambda. x1 plus a lambda. Same way for j cap. Please compare y1 plus, over here I have y1, over here I have b lambda. What about this? K cap. Please check this out. z1 plus c lambda plus c lambda. Now compare on both sides. Here I have xi cap, yj cap and zk cap. है ना? What I'm getting बच्चा? I'm getting x equals to x1 plus a lambda, y equals to y1 plus b lambda, z equals to what I'm getting बच्चा? Check here. Z equals to z1 plus c lambda. है ना? What I get from here? Please check this out. X minus x1 upon a equals to what बच्चा? Lambda. x1 bring it on this side. So x minus x1 upon a will do to get the lambda value. What about this, sir? Same way. Y minus y1 upon b equals to lambda, sir. I'm bringing this y1 on this side. Same way. Bring z1 over here. So z minus z1 upon c equals to lambda. They are all equal to lambda. It means what? In the Cartesian form, the equation will be what, sir? For will be x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, and z minus z1 upon c. This is the Cartesian form of the line passing through the point with the coordinate x1, y1, comma z1. Passing through point x1, y1, okay, z1 बच्चा, x1, y1, comma z1, and parallel to vector b, where the the direction ratios are a, b and c for vector b. Okay, चलिए, excellent question. Have a look. Okay, derivation was very important. I hope this is clear. It was asked in May 2023 paper. Have a look. Moving on to question number 6. Simple question number 6. The previous one can be asked in 3 mark category, sir. 3 mark category, bachcha. Okay. Coming back to again question number 6, 1 mark category. Okay. March 2022 paper. Have a look. Direction cosines of y-axis. Y-axis means what, sir? Y-axis like this, na? Have a look. Okay. If I take, let's say, this x, this as y, and this as z. What's the angle of y-axis with x-axis, sir? The angle of y-axis with x-axis, sir, is 90 degree. So alpha is 90. What about beta degree, sir? Y with y. Nothing, no, sir. 0 degree. Angle between y-axis and y-axis. What is that, sir? 0 degree. Angle between y-axis and z-axis, sir. So this is gamma, right? 1 second. This is gamma, sir. Yeah. This will be again what, bacha? 90. We are looking for what value? Direction cosines. So we are looking for LMN. So L will be what, bacha? L will be cos 90, cos 0, and again cos 90. So what I'm getting, sir? I'm getting my, please check here, I'm getting my L value equals to 0, M value equals to 1, and N value equals to 0 again. Cos 90 is 0, M is over here 1, and N is over there, cos 90 again 0. This is my answer for direction cosines for the y-axis. For y-axis. Have a look. Simple question, very, very simple. Moving on to question number 7. Find the angle between the pair of lines given by. We have done the similar question, okay? I think which was this question, bacha? Have a look. This was this question, no? Yeah, this one. Question number 3. Question number 3, exact same question. Please check here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 6. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 6. 1, 2, 2, and 3, 2, 6. Okay? There are different lines, okay, but the B1 and B2 will be same, na? This is B1, sir. I plus 2j plus 2k. And what is that? B2 simply 3i plus 2j plus 6k. How you find the angle? Cos theta equals to B1 dot P2 upon mod of B1 multiplied with mod of B2. Solve it. Solve it. This question same as question number 3, I think. Okay. Question number 3 is same as question number 7. Okay, chali, have a look. So you can solve it from your side. Of course you can. Very simple. Answer will also be same, right? Because if you take dot, no, b1 dot b2 and b2 dot b1 will be same, no, bacha. b1 dot b2. In the previous case we had b2 dot b1. How come, sir? Because b1 was actually this and b2 was actually this. So reverse was there, but doesn't matter. It's a scalar product, right? So we're gonna get the same value. It'll come by 19 by 21. Okay. Cos inverse of 19 by 21. That's your answer. Question number 7 is done. Question number 8, sir. If a line makes an angle 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree with the XYZ axis, have a look. So they're given beta and gamma. Okay, 45 degrees. Okay, find the direction cosines. So L equals to what, sir? Cos alpha. So cos 90. So 0. BM is what, sir? Cos beta. So cos 135 degree. So cos 90 plus 45 degree. 90 plus 45. Cos at 90 will become what, Chacha? It will become sin, sir. Cos at 90 will become sin, sir. So sin 45. Which quadrant, sir? Second quadrant. Cos is negative. So minus sin. What is the answer, sir? Minus 1 by root 2. N will become what, sir? Cos of gamma. What is gamma? Cos of 45 simply. What is the answer? 1 by root 2. So my final answer over here looks like this. L equals to 0. M equals to minus 1 by root 2. And N equals to 1 by root 2. Have a look. Please have a look. Simple question. Very, very, very simple, sir. Can be asking 2 marker or 1 marker also. July 2022 paper. You can see the question pattern now. They're asking one question on the direction cosines, then the angle between them, then the distance between the vectors. Have a look. Question number 8 is done. Question number 9, bacha. If a line has direction ratios of 2 minus 1 and minus 2, means what? They have given the value of A1 as 2, B1 as minus 1 and C1 as minus 2. They're looking for L value, right? L will be what, sir? A1 upon root of, remember this, A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. How much is that, bacha? So 2 upon, okay, L, na? So both sides will come, plus minus sign will come. So here also plus minus sign will come, bacha. That's a part of the formula, right? Okay. Both sides will come, na? Both directions, okay? So A1 square, bacha, will be what? It will be, please check, 4 plus 1 plus 4 again. What I'm getting? Plus minus 2 upon 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9, root is 3. So plus minus 2 by 3. Okay. What about M? So please check for M value. We'll have again plus and minus sign outside. Over here I have minus 1, A2, right? Sorry, B1, right? So minus 1 divided by, same thing will come. So 3. Since there's a plus minus over here, inside it we have minus, it will become what, bacha? Minus and plus 1 by 3. So how it makes a difference? I'll show you, don't worry. So let's look for N. Let's look for N. Again, plus minus 1 will come. What is the C value? It is going to be minus 2. So right here, C1 is minus 2 divided by, how much, sir? Same value, na? How much I'm getting? Plus minus, there is a minus sign inside. So sign will be reversed, minus and plus. I'm getting this as 2 by 3 again. Now have a look. I'll show you the difference. So basically, the two combinations of L, M, N are, first one is plus 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3. Over here, what I will take? Minus, sir. Minus 1 by 3. What I'll take over this side? Again, minus 2 by 3, sir. This is the first combination. What is the second answer, sir? Second answer will be, bacha, minus 2 by 3. Second option, minus 2 by 3. Over here, plus 1 by 3. And over here, plus 2 by 3. That's why the sign changes there. Since because of the minus sign inside will become minus and plus, not plus and minus. Check this out. Plus minus over here, minus over here makes it minus plus. The order is different, bacha. Okay. There are two different set of L, M and N. Okay. This is what, bacha, this is the answer for direction cosines asked in July 2020 paper. Have a look. Simple enough. Simple question. Not difficult. Of course not. The chapter itself is very simple, sir, if you know the formulas. Right? So please write the list of all the formulas for this particular chapter. If you know the formulas, questions will be easily solved. 9th is over. Question number 10. Let's have a look. it says find the angle between the pair of lines. Okay, check this out. What is this bacha? Vector B is direction cosines or ratios. B1 equals to 3 I cap, 5 J cap and 4 K cap. What about B2 bacha? Vector B2 is given as I cap plus J cap plus 2 K cap. Okay, plus 2 K cap. Now one more thing, don't just take directly. There was no negative sign in x, y, z. If somewhere else we had minus x bacha, let's say there was a minus x over here, then we have to take the minus in the denominator bacha. Very important. Here everything was positive, so no problem. We have taken directly the denominator as b1, b2. Okay, but if you had a minus x, somewhere the x is negative, then you have to take the minus sign common and make it in the denominator. Very important. Let's say I had minus x plus 1 by 1. Okay, then I have to change this bacha. I have to take minus sign common, it will become x minus 1 by 1. It will become x minus 1 upon minus 1. So I have to bring this minus sign over here. Now, this will not be 1 anymore, this will become minus 1. Concept is very, very important, sir. If there was a minus x, you have to move that to denominator as minus 1. You're going to get this as minus I cap, so in that case. But over here, we don't have it like this, so I'm going to erase this. So please check. Okay, I'm going to erase this. If you had a negative, mention it in the denominator. Chari. Negative. So make sure that the only thing is to make sure that you have to make sure that the coefficient of x is only 1. Not minus 1, not number 2. Anything should not be there. There should not be any constant multiplied to x, y or z. I'll repeat. There should not be any constant multiplied to x, y, z. Always has to be only 1. Not minus 1, only 1. If it is 2x, then what we'll do? We'll divide everything by 2, sir. Then this will become, let's say you had 2x over here. We'll divide by 2, will become 1 by 2. Can you see the difference? Make sure, the only thing that you have to remember over here, make sure, please make sure the coefficient is always 1, sir. Not even minus 1. Is that clear now? Okay, chali. So B1 and B2 we know. What's the formula, sir, for the angles? B1 dot B2 upon B1 mod times B2 mod. है ना? Why we are doing this? Sir, this line L1 is parallel to B1, right? And this line L2 is parallel to B2, right? L1 is parallel to B1, L2 is parallel to B2. Means the angle between line L1 and L2, angle between line L1 and L2 is same as angle between the parallel lines to them, right? So angle between the line B1, B2. So that's why this form. Okay. So let's find this value. B1 dot B2. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 2 is 8, bacha. Okay. What about B1 mod? Please check here. B1 mod, sir. So 9. 5 square is 25. And plus 4 square is 16. Multiplied with 1 plus 1 plus 2 square is 4. Simplify this. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 8 is 16. How about this? We have here 16 plus 9 is 25, na? Plus 25 is root 50. What I have over here? Root 6. Okay. Take here 16 upon root 50 into 6. है ना? Root 50 into 6, sir. Okay. 16 upon 300. Take this as simply 100 into 3. 100 into 3. Okay. Check this over here. So I'm getting cos theta equals to 16 upon 100 total what, bacha? Simply 10. 3 will remain inside. What is the answer? 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So cos theta equals to 8 upon 5 root 3. Okay. Looking from the angle, right? So we have to find the theta value. Cos inverse of 8 upon 5 root 3. Have a look. Again, this is not a special angle. We can't find the value, sir, without the help of calculator. So we'll leave it as it is. Cos inverse of 8 by 5 root 3. Okay. Chali. Question number 10 is over. Have a look. Let's move on to question number 11, bacha. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Okay. We have to find the d value. But a twist is here. What is the twist, sir? Please check this out. This vector b1 is not same as vector b2. b1 and b2 are not same, bacha. b1 and b2 are not same. Okay. So how can you solve this? Please check. We have the formula D equals to B1 cross B2 vectors, of course, dot with A2 minus A1, okay, divided by B1 cross B2 vector, the modulus. That's the formula. Okay, let's find the first thing, B1 cross B2. First we'll write what? We'll write first Ij and K. What is B1, sir? 2 minus 1 and 1. What about this, sir? 3 minus 5 and 2. Let's find this out. For I cap, I'm getting minus 2 and plus 5 minus j cap. Okay, check this out. Why negative? Because of the position, right? Plus minus plus. Odd, na? 1 plus 2 is odd, right? What is the position over here? 1 comma 2. A1 2. So odd, na? That's why minus j. 2 2s are 4. To multiply this then this. 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 into 1. So 1 plus k cap. Minus 5 into 2. So minus 10. And 3 into 1. Minus 3 is there. Subtraction will make it plus 3. Okay. What I'm getting? 3i cap. What I'm getting over here? Minus 3j cap. Okay. And minus 7k cap. This is right. Okay. This is what, bacha? This is B1 cross B2. This is the value of B1 cross B2. Okay. Chaliye, let's check this out. We're looking for the dot with A2 minus A1. So first find A2 minus A1. Please check. A2 minus A1 is how much, sir? 2i minus I. So simply what, sir? I. J minus J. So plus 0 J cap. And minus K, nothing is there. Have a look. Only I plus J is there. So minus K cap. So what I'm getting, sir? I cap minus K cap. I cap minus K cap. Okay. So A2 minus A1. 1 second. We're looking for what, bacha? Dot product of both of them. Dot product of B1 cross B2 vector dot with A2 minus A1. Have a look. How much is this coming as? This I'm looking at 3i cap minus 3j cap minus 7k cap dot with I minus k. Have a look. What I'm getting, sir? 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 7 into 1. J will not be there, na? Because if you take j dot with I, it will be 0. J dot with I. Dot means what? Cos. J and I angle is what, bacha? 90 degree. J is for y axis, I is for x axis. Angle between x and y is 90 degree. So j dot I will become what? 0. Same with j dot k will also become 0. So there is no j over here. So I have to ignore this value. Okay. Same let's do with k. So minus k, minus 7k into minus k plus 7. How much I'm getting? 10. What I'm getting? B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 is simply 10. Okay. Now we have to find the determinant of this. Mod of this. Have a look. So mod of B1 cross B2. How much is that, sir? So this is coming as mod of this value 3, 3 and 7, right? 3, 3 and 7. So 9 plus 9 and 49. Have a look what I'm getting, bacha. I'm getting this as 49 plus 9 is 58 plus 9 is 67, right? So and what I have 4 to 6, right? 67, no? Please have a look. So my answer is coming as, is it right? Have a look. 1 second. 9 plus 9 is 18 and plus what is it? It is going to be 49, right? So yeah, correct only. Have a look. So D value is coming as 10 upon root 67. How come, sir? From here. From this value. What is the dot product? Dot is 10. And what is the modulus of this value? Root 67. Answer is 10 upon root 67. Please have a look. I hope this is clear. Yeah. Let's move on. Okay, there's a mistake. So we can see there's a mistake over here. What is that, bacha? Please check. Is coming. I've taken here as for j cap. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 1 should be 3, no? This should be 3, sir. Okay, I'll highlight it with different color. 1 second. Simple calculation mistake, forgive me for that. Okay, very sorry for that mistake, bacha. This is going to be 3, bacha. This is going to be 3, no, so it'll become simply minus j, not 3j, minus j. Have a look, it'll become minus j, yeah. So no problem over here, nothing changes for this part, because this will be not incorporated, right? It will be simply minus j. So what I'm getting, sir, this will remain same, but I will have change over here. This will be 1, sir. Please check. This will be different, sir. 1 second. This will be 1, sir. So 59 will have, and here also we have 59. One change was there. Please have a look. What was the change, sir? The change is this 3. My mistake, I made this as 1, sir. Okay, it should be 3 into 1, so 3, no? So please accept this change. Okay, answer is going to be 10 upon root 59. Moving on to question number 12, the Cartesian equation of a line. Okay, we have to write in the vector form. They've given the Cartesian form. Excuse me. We have to write in the vector form. Okay. So let's see. The vector form will be given with respect to r. What I have, the point where they are passing through 5, 4, and 6, right? So it will become what, bacha? It will become 5i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap, na? Right? 6k cap, right? Plus lambda times the vector we are parallel to, which is 1. Everywhere you should check here, x, y, and z is positive. What's the coefficient? 1, 1, 1. So no change in the direction ratios, 3, 7, and 2. What is the answer, sir? 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. This is the answer, sir. This is the answer for question number 12. Please have a look. Question number 12 is done, sir. Okay. 13. Find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with positive coordinate axis. Okay, means with x, with y, and with z axis, it makes alpha, beta, and gamma, and they are all equal to each other. Alpha, beta, gamma are equal. It means what? Cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. We know this. L square plus m square plus n square equals to what, bacha? 1. How much am I getting? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals to 1. Okay, they're all equal, right? I can write this as 3 cos square alpha equals to 1. Okay, equals to 1, sir. 1 second. Equals to 1. Yeah, so I'm getting over here. Have a look. Cos square okay, cos square alpha equals to 1 by 3. So cos alpha equals to plus minus 1 upon root 3. They're looking for what? Direction cosines, right? We can write this as L equals to m equals to n equals to plus minus 1 by root 3, bacha. Answer. All of the values are plus 1 by root 3, plus 1 by root 3, and plus 1 by root 3, or minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, and minus 1 by root 3. LMN in the same order, plus minus we have to take for both the pairs. Okay, LMN and LMN again will come as 1 upon plus root 3, 1 upon plus root 3, 1 upon plus root 3, or the negative one, minus 1 upon root 3, minus 1 upon root 3, and minus 1 upon root 3. Please have a look. Question number 13 is done. When the angles made with the vector angles made with the what, bacha? With the XYZ axis is equal. XYZ axis is equal. So alpha, beta, gamma is equal. Question number 13 is done. Question number 14. Write the direction cosines of Z axis. Okay. Same concept. Check here. X is here. Y is here. Z here. Z with X axis. What is the angle, sir? Z with X axis. What is the angle, sir? Is going to be 90 degrees, sir. Z with Y axis. What is the angle, sir? 90 degree again, sir. Z with Z axis. What is the angle, sir? 0 degree. Z with Z axis 90 degree. Sorry, Z with Z is 0 degree. Z with Y is 90. Z with X is 90. Okay. So cos alpha will be 0 over here. 0 over here. 1. It means so L will become equal to 0. M will be 0 and N will be 1. N will be 1. Simple. Chaliye. Question number 15. So that the lines x minus 5 upon 7. So two lines are given in the form of what, bacha? In the form of What's the direction, sorry, Cartesian form? Check here, there's a negative sign. Why sir? Why there's a negative, bacha? Because there must be a negative in the y, that's why they have taken it in the denominator to make it positive. Okay, all right, chaliye. So we have a negative value for b1. Okay, so let's find the, we have to show that they're perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? The line, this is the line, right? This is line b1. What is it? So 7i cap minus 5j cap and k cap, right? What about b2, sir? I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. From here, bacha, I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. The lines are perpendicular means what? If line L1 and L2 are perpendicular, it means line L1 is parallel to B1, line L2 is parallel to B2. It means B1 and B2 has to be perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2, the line L1 is perpendicular to L2. This is a, let's say, line L1, this is a line L2. Okay, L1 and L2 are perpendicular means, sir, B1 is perpendicular to B2. Clear, na? In that case, what I'm going to get? B1 dot B2 equals to 0. How come, sir? Cos 90. Cos 90 is 0, sir, perpendicular. So find the dot product. 7 into 1 is 7. If we can prove this, please check this out. Means we can prove this perpendicular. Okay, chaliye. So I will just erase this part and I'm gonna start solving the question. This is just to explain you. Okay, I'm gonna do it reverse, right? We have to do the converse part now. Let's find b1 dot b2. b1 dot b2, how much is that, sir? Check here. 7 into 1 is 7, 2 into 5 is minus 10, 3 into 1 is simply 3. How much we are getting? 10 minus 10, right? How much is that? Simply 0. Now therefore b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. What we are getting from this? It means b1 is perpendicular to vector b2. What it means, bacha? It means the line L1 is perpendicular to line L2. We have shown it over here. Please check this out. Okay, this is the end of your answer. Okay, we have to do inverse, right? We have to prove they're perpendicular. How do we prove that, bacha? Because the dot product of the b1 and b2 are 0. It means what is b1 b2? The line L1 parallel to b1 and line L2 parallel to b2. So their dot product is 0. It means b1 perpendicular to b2. It means L1 is perpendicular to L2. Clear now? So question number 15 is done. This is it. We have done the PYQs, which is very important from 16 to 23 paper. Please go ahead and check it out. Solve these questions again. How can you solve it? The sessions PDF will be given to you. Solve these questions again, bacha. Okay. Now I've listed down some important topics over here. Check out from the 3D geometry. Direction cosines and direction ratios. You have to do this. Direction cosines and direction ratio, you have to do this, bacha, for sure. Then what? Shortest distance between two lines. This is also very important. You can see questions are coming on this. Okay. Angle between the pair of lines. Okay. And derivation of equation of a line. Whatever the forms are there in the syllabus, you have to solve these concepts, bacha. All of this is very important, sir. All of this is very important, sir. All of this is very important. Okay. All 4 has to be done from your side. No missing out any of these. Very important concept from this chapter. You have to do it for sure to make sure that you are prepared from this chapter's end. With this, I'm ending the session, bacha. Again, I'm repeating again for all of you, if you have missed out on the test series, please purchase it. It's not a request anymore, because I want you to make sure that you are getting the benefit. Make sure that you are prepared in the preparation. How you do that? By writing a lot of mocks. I know you might have missed some mocks. Don't worry about that. You can write that again later whenever you are able to find the time. Whenever you can find the time, write the mocks. No problem. Right now, take the test series and write the first mock that is available to you. How you can get to know that? Once you enroll, you'll get the schedule delivered to you. You're gonna get to decide what you want to take right now. If you have time, take the previously taken test already. If not, take this current week test, and then whenever you're able to find time, take the previous test. Clear now? This test will be featuring with 4-part test, means PCM will be there, and again 8 full syllabus subject wise tests will also be there. So total of 12 mock tests will be there. Again, you will get obviously question papers you're going to get in PDF format. You're going to get solutions also in the PDF format, but that is not it. You're going to get the solution video also, bacha. So for the mock papers, you're going to get solution videos, and also you're going to get, bacha, doubt clarification session. So all of this will be given to you once you purchase this test. Okay. So again, you can avail this offer at $599 right now. Very important for your preparation of boards examination. Do not ignore it. Okay. So a lot of people have already purchased it. They are making this benefit You should not be the person who is missing out on something like this. Okay, so with this I am going to conclude the session, bacha. So 3D geometry is over. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed and learned in the PU to Brahmastra series. We are coming to close in this revision series for PU to Brahmastra very soon. We'll close, bacha. For mathematics we have one chapter left. We're gonna do that as well. For now this is it. I'm gonna see in the next session of to you. All of you will be if you have anything to say to me, bacha, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna see all of you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.